Hi guys, I'm in a new area and walking down a trail that hasn't been used for a while, and you can see the blockage right here. As it goes up here, right up to this break. I like to catch this break. It's going uphill. Yeah, there it is. It's coming all the way down across this trail directly in front of me. Pretty spooky area, and we're within about 100 yards of the major highway going through this area. We're actually right past this nature preserve I'm in, and that's exactly what it is, a nature preserve. We've got some interesting bends here. Uphill from where I'm at. Let's see if I can get an angle on it. If I can stay out of the poison ivy. Yeah, there's a bend right there. It's on the other side of that barbed wire fence. I started filming earlier and didn't realize I had my lens cover closed on the camera, so I had to start this new clip here. I want to apologize for the background noise. Like, again, those are cars going down a major highway, which is about 100 yards from this nature preserve. Okay guys, we'll pick you up further down trail. Adios. Came across this old piece of equipment right here. Somebody apparently dropped it off. Some kind of a belt drive piece of farm equipment somebody dropped off. They came into the nature preserve and just dumped it off. People are crazy. Here's some of the blockage on this trail I encountered coming in. It's a tree just leaned over the trail. Sneak through here. Another tree that, strangely enough, the tree has a sign on it. Right there. And it fell over across this trail. Coincidence? Maybe. Some more blockage right here. That was me pulling on this branch here, a tree that fell over this trail. couple leaners. Sort of interesting. It's almost like a partial teepee. All three leaners meeting at the top of this tree, as I was trying to say before I accidentally shut off my mic. Yeah, all three are meeting at the top here. I'm going to head out. I'm attracting mosquitoes. You can see the slope of this hill right here. As it goes up through the trees, up at about a 50-degree angle, directly up the hill. I'm standing on the path right here below it, and you can follow it right up this incline, right up where it crests way up there. Through the trees, you can't even see the summit. Another giant bend with a leaner right in front of it. Right there. Sort of obscured by the trees. But it's all leading uphill. And at some point when fall gets here, I'll probably climb up there. Right now, it's pretty weedy. A lot of brambles, multiflorals, and burrs everywhere. Well, adios. Catch you guys later. Okay, I'm back, guys. Yeah, it's see, the Park Service was in here and they cleared this trail, this what used to be a paved road. Now it's virtually just a footpath, but there's all the timber they pushed off the road. Quite a lot of flow downs and deadfall everywhere, as you can see. Of course, that's where I came from, all the way down there. that area uphill here I do want to get into when everything browns out and fall is in full swing. I'll be able to penetrate into this, past this tree line of all these saplings and uphill into that area right up there. And that's where I'll eventually go in a month or so. A lot of noise in the brush right now. All sorts of animals. Sure, we have a lot of squirrels gathering nuts and trying to get ready for the winter. Well, guys, catch you later. See you further up the trail. Yeah, sort of at a different angle now. I'm hearing what sounds like branch or tree breaks, or sounds like timber cracking in the foreground, sort of in this direction where the camera's pointed. Got a lot of noise everywhere. Well, guys, I'll be back. I'm going to shut down and see if I'm even capturing audio. I'm using a different mic this time. I'm using my audio recorder as a mic. It should be more effective. It's stereo, and I might get better sound. I'll zoom in right over here and see what I capture. Right there is a prominent bend I walked past when I was coming up this trail. I mean, there's a lot of bends in this section too, a lot of tree arches. They're buried in there. You can see them. They're just, because of all the foliage and greenery, they're hard to pick up on. Well, I'm going to review this footage. I may or may not post it. I was hoping this area was a little more browned out and a little more with the cold weather we've had, that I might have had more access and I was able to get off trail up into these hills. Maybe next time. I'll come back in about a month when fall's in full swing. Most of the undergrowth will be browned out, and I should be able to walk up into these hills. Well, catch you guys later. I may resume this with another clip. If not, this might be the last one that I'll merge into this video. So thanks for watching, guys.